We'll guide you through how to add shadow in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because beginners in Blender often feel overwhelmed by its interface and need simple guidance to create their first scene. First, open Blender on your computer to begin the process. Once the program is ready, press Shift and A on your keyboard to open the Add menu. From there, go to the Mesh section and add a plane to your scene. After adding the plane, make it bigger by scaling it so it can act as a base surface. Next, add lighting by pressing Shift and A again to open the Add menu. Then press on the lighting option from the side menu and place a light source into your scene. After that, go to the Data section on the right side panel to adjust the light settings. In this section, check the shadow box to turn shadows on so your scene will look more realistic. Once the lighting is enabled, you may want to add a visual object by pressing Shift and A again and selecting another mesh to include in your scene. After adding the object, set the lighting first by adjusting its position and strength so it properly illuminates the object. You can also change the lighting type by choosing different options such as point, sun, or area light from the side menu. Experiment with these types to see how they affect the appearance of your scene. Once you are satisfied with the lighting setup, add a camera by pressing Shift and A again and selecting the camera option. After placing the camera, press numpad 0 to switch to camera mode and view what the camera sees. Then find an angle for the camera by moving and rotating it until the composition looks good. Take your time to adjust the framing so the object and lighting appear balanced. After everything is set, press F12 on your keyboard to render the scene. Wait for the rendering process to complete, and you will see the final image based on your setup. Following these steps will help you create a simple scene in Blender. Practicing this process will improve your skills and help you understand basic 3D modeling and lighting techniques more effectively over time.